welcome you all on my channel IELTS at Home. This is Navpreet, your host, guide and mentor, and my today's video is based on reading module in IELTS. There are different type of questions in reading which are really very tough. So today we will discuss the first type, that is simple fill-ups with one word. How to solve, what are the tricks, you can find all of these in this video. So also you can watch my previous video by clicking the I button on your screen. I have made many videos on listening module, and you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and you can find the link of that in the description box below. If you have any queries and suggestions, just write in the comment section below. And without any further delay, let's start.
You can see on the left side of your screen a reading passage, bringing cinnamon to Europe, and on the right side you can see the question 1 to 9. So firstly read the instruction. What is the instruction? Choose one word only from the passage for each answer. It means you must write your answer in one word and then find them in the passage. So firstly read the question. The early history of cinnamon, biblical times. This is your first hint. You need to find that word from the passage and then read the question. Added to dash. Your first question is cinnamon was used to add in dash. Now read the passage. Cinnamon is a sweet, fragrant spice produced from the inner bark of the trees of the genus Cinnamomum, which is native to the Indian subcontinent. It was known in biblical times. So this is your hint, biblical times. Read further. And is mentioned in several books of the Bible, both as an ingredient that was mixed with oils for anointing people's bodies. Ingredient means any substance or food that are added with other substances to make something. So it is used as an ingredient to mix with oils. So if you see your question, it is written that added to. Added means mixed. So mixed with what? With oils. So your answer is oils. So with this technique you can find your answer of fill-ups. You must keep the keywords of question in your mind and then locate those keyword or synonyms of those keyword in the passage. Then you can find the answer. Next question is second, used to show dash between people. Cinnamon was used to show something between people. So read further the passage. Fourth line, and also as a token indicating friendship among lovers and friends. Here in the question they use people, or in the passage they use lovers and friends. This is your hint. And also in the starting of the answer fill up, you can see they wrote used to show. Here in the passage it is written that indicating and show both have same meaning. So your answer is indicating friendship. So friendship is the answer. Now again go to the question. Next is ancient Rome. Now your next hint is ancient Rome. You need to find that in the passage. Used for its sweet smell at dash. In ancient Rome, cinnamon was used to for its sweet smell and used on something like. So if you read the passage in the fifth line, in ancient Rome, mourners attending funerals burnt cinnamon to create a pleasant scent. So they use cinnamon on funerals. They burnt funerals with cinnamon to create a sweet smell or a pleasant scent. So it means the next answer is funerals. Next read the question again. Middle age. It is the next hint. You need to find the middle age, that is the keyword from the passage. And then read added to food. In the Middle Age, cinnamon was used to added in the food, especially in the meat. And then read the question fourth. Was an indication of a person's dash. Indication means it is just like a symbol or a sign of a person's dash. You need to find that. So if we read the passage in the center, last sixth line. In the Middle Ages, European who could afford the spice used it to flavor food, particularly meat. In the question it was written that especially meat. So here they used particularly meat, and to impress those around them with their ability to purchase an expensive condiment from the exotic east. And next, at a banquet, a host would offer guests a plate with various spices piled upon it as a sign of the wealth at his or her disposal. So it means these spices means cinnamon. So these were used as a sign of wealth of a person. So your next answer is wealth, which is the fourth answer, was an indication. Indication means it is showed as it is a sign of a person's wealth. And next, read the fifth question. Known as a treatment for dash and other health problems. In the last two lines of the passage, read, cinnamon was also reported to have health benefits and was thought to cure various ailments. Ailments means diseases such as indigestion. So health problems like ailments, they already written health problem on the place of ailments. So what is the answer? Indigestion. They used it for treating indigestion. So your fifth answer is indigestion. And now you can see on your screen, I underlined some words. These are the answers which we located from the passage. If we go to the downward direction, because it's the main tip that you can find your answer in downward direction, we find our first 5 question in first paragraph. So in second paragraph, now we read further to find our other answers. So firstly, read the question number 6. Grown in, it means where cinnamon was grown at that time. So read the second passage. Toward the end of the Middle Age, the European middle classes began to desire the lifestyle of the elite, including their consumption of spices. This led to growth in demand for cinnamon and other spices. So they are talking about the main reason about the consumption of cinnamon. At that time, cinnamon was transported by herb merchants. Merchant means traders who are trading in cinnamon, who closely guarded the secret of the source of the spice from potential rivals. They took it from India. From where they brought it? From India, where it was grown. It is specially mentioned in the passage that they took it from India where it was grown. It means cinnamon was grown in India. So your next answer is, sixth answer is India. Read the seventh question. Merchants used dash to bring it to the Mediterranean. So what merchants used to carry cinnamon? If we read further, they took it from India where it was grown on camels via an overland route. So it means they carried the cinnamon with the help of camels. So merchant used camels to bring it. It means your answer is camels. Next, read the eighth question. Arrived in the Mediterranean at dash. Where they reached? Arrived means reached. So you need to find your question number 8 in the passage. If we read the next line where we read the India, in the 6th line, their journey ended when they reached Alexandria. So here it is clearly shown that their journey ended when they reached Alexandria. It means when they arrived Alexandria. So your next answer is Alexandria. Next, 9th question. Traders took it to dash and sold it to the destinations around Europe. So if we read after Alexandria, European traders sailed there to purchase their supply of cinnamon, then brought it back to Venice. So it means your next answer is Venice, because here they written that in the passage brought it back, or in the question they wrote that took it and brought it, both have same meaning. So its answer is Venice. Now you can see the underlined word that we find in the paragraph second. These are the answers of 6th to 9th question. So in the fill up, these are the main hints. So firstly you need to read the instruction, then you need to read the question, need to keep the keywords in your mind, and then go to the passage, find the hints or keywords. When you find it, read carefully and then find the matching keywords. Then you can find your answers. It's really very easy. Thank you all for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. You can watch my other videos too based on grammar, and you can find the link by clicking the I button on your screen. And also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. You can find the link of that in the description box below. So if you have any queries and suggestion, please feel free to write in the comment section below. Thank you.